your program is feed me, not me, elephants, yeah? They eat all day long, 16 to 18 hours a day. This time of the day, we're gonna feed them with sugar cane. What are the main food for them? The main food is our fiber. We already fed them a lot of fiber. It's time for the sugar cane. We'll provide you the basket of food like this. You can fill it up. You can do 3 fillings, okay? How to feed them? You hold it like this. Give them here under the trunk. They roll it, yum yum, okay? What happens if you drop it? What do you do? Just leave it, okay? Leave it, don't pick it up. Under the chin, they do not see you. It's a blind spot. If you go down there, what happens? Bam. You fly. You fly like a bird. Don't do that. Don't pick it up, yeah? It's a blind spot. Don't go behind them, okay? They don't have...